Hey guys, so what we are trying to understand this time is about bar charts. We have seen other charts as well till now, which constituted of line, area, column charts. Now these are nothing but horizontal column charts. But when would you use bar charts? So usually I use bar charts when you want to compare individual items. For example, compare ticket sales by location or show a breakdown of employees by job title. Yeah. So this is mostly used for comparison. So let's try and understand how to create a bar chart. I have a certain data of student grades based on juniors and seniors who had A grade, B grade, C grade, and F grade, so on. So we'll try to select this data. This time we'll try to get the chart from the icon which is available on the format bar. I'll click on the icon, insert chart, and it has automatically inserted me the stepped area chart. But right now we want to explore the bar chart. So we go to the chart type. In the suggested, again, it has shown one of the suggestion as the bar chart over here, but we'll try to see the bar charts which are available. So there are three types of bar chart again, as we had for column charts. It's a normal bar chart. Then we had the stacked bar chart, and we have the 100% stacked bar chart. So we'll see the normal bar chart as of now. From here, we can identify that the seniors in who got A grade had are almost double as that of juniors. Yes. So this is how you identify from the given grades who were the highest among the junior or senior categories. Let's check for one more example for bar chart. Probably I want to know the traffic from which my uh, leads are coming. So whether it is coming for organic search, whether it is coming from direct or referral, this is mostly used for marketing. So if I want to know the sources of marketing, I want to know which is the highest source of marketing for me through a bar chart. I'll go to again bar chart. I select the data. Okay, it's already there because the last chart that we selected was a bar chart. So automatically it shows me organic search was the highest. Yes, as compared to direct, referral, paid search, or social. So this is how you compare data between each other through a bar chart. This is pretty simple, right? So let's understand the stack bar chart this time. So suppose I want some universities to be compared with each other. Yeah, depending on the number of people who were there in the university and number of people who were as a freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior. Yes. So if I select this data, yeah, and try to get a bar chart, this is column chart which we originally had. So we go to the stack bar chart, which is here. I click on the stack bar chart, and this is how it shows me how the stack bar chart works. And now why we use stack bar chart? We usually use stack bar chart to show part to whole relationship and find trends in data over time. For example, I want to show how 4 office locations contributed to total sales. Yes. So this is how I can show as of now for people from various universities. Same way, if I have to take about a practical example, then probably I'll talk about my various regional and offices contributing to my overall sales across different offices. Yes. Another version of stack bar chart is the 100% stack bar chart, which we have talked about 100% stacked column chart as well. It is same as that, but it is in a horizontal manner. So suppose, why would you use it? First of all, let's understand that. We'll use a horizontal 100% stacked bar chart when you want to show the relationship between individual item, that's one part of it, and the whole in a single bar. And the cumulative total doesn't matter because over here, for example, in this chart, my cumulative total also matters to me because I want to know whether my university A has the highest number of people, or university B or university C. Over here, it's in percentage, so it doesn't matter to me. So I'll just put it in horizontal 100% stacked bar chart. I'll try that. So this is the option that we select, and this is how it looks like. So it helps me to compare in Jan, my North region, how from Jan to July, how my North region catered in the overall sales. Yes. So it was in Jan, it contributed around 44% of the overall sales, whereas in July it increased to 16%. So it almost got better than the southern sale, which was previously almost, which was all contributing almost 50 to 60% of the overall sales. So this is how you have a comparison between two entities over the period of time. And majorly, if you see over this all four graphs, we are trying to compare entities. So this is where we'll use the bar charts for analysis in any of your data where you want to drive some insights and take decisions. Thank you so much. Just one point to add, the editing again, if you want to edit this charts, it will again have the same option as we have for line chart, for which I have kept the link in the description, which you can utilize to check, go ahead and check in the video for line charts, how you set up and customize your charts. Thank you so much.